DevOps teams need to work without restrictions or delay, at a cadence that allows for maximum productivity. Security teams need to embrace the speed of work and innovation, while securing access to dev, test, and deployment environments consistently. They need to avoid imposing massive delays on the DevOps teams as they wait for permissions to do their jobs. What's needed is a solution for increasing DevOps productivity that doesn't compromise security and compliance. Appgate SDP bridges the gap between DevOps and security teams. Designed with developers in mind, Appgate SDP provides secure multi-environment connectivity, eliminating constant VPN switching and leveraging patented multi-tunnel capabilities that seamlessly connect the developer to the many environments they need to access. It saves time and improves the developer experience. With Appgate SDP, DevOps teams gain a unified enterprise-grade solution to reduce operational complexity for access to today's diverse hybrid IT environments. Quick to implement, Appgate SDP integrates with existing enterprise systems while bridging the gap between DevOps and security. The result? DevOps gets more done and diverse hybrid IT environments are secured.